Hi lovelies, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm here to share with you the simple and yet delicious Ghanaian okra dip sauce, which is popularly called Fetri Toto, which is popularly eaten in the Volta region of Ghana. This okra dip sauce is very delicious. In fact, this is my first time trying it and I'm going to repeat this one more time. So let's get started with this delicious okra dip sauce. So for this recipe, we're going to need some fresh okra, which I've washed and chopped it very nicely, just the way you're seeing it on your screens. I'll go ahead and add in some fresh tomatoes as well, and I'll also go in with some crabs. Use any protein that you feel comfortable in it. So I'll add some water to it, cover it, and allow it to cook until it is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, I'll go ahead and grind the rest of my ingredients, which is the pepper. I'm using green pepper for this recipe, or pakoshito. Any pepper you want to use, feel free to use it, okay? I also added in some chopped onions, some garlic and ginger also, and some salt to taste. Now grind until this becomes very smooth. So the name Fetri Toto, the Fetri means Okro or okra, and the toto also means the grinding sound from the tapoli as it presses against the okra or the okro in the asanka. So now let's grind until it is nice and smooth. So after 5 more minutes, we are back to check on it, and it's doing all perfect right now. The okra, the crabs, and the tomatoes has cooked very well. So I'm going to insert my fork in it to make sure that the okra has really cooked down very well, because we are not going to fry it again. So we need to make sure the okra is very soft, and it's all done. So I'm going to set this aside and go ahead and roast my momone or my fermented fish. This will elevate the taste of the sauce, so kindly add in some salted fish or momone to elevate this dip sauce very well. So I'll grind that one too alongside with the pepper until it is nice and very smooth as well. And after that, I'll go ahead and add in my fresh tomatoes, which I've cooked earlier on. And for the tomatoes, you can roast it if you want, okay? So let's grind until it is nice and very smooth. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're still watching this video at this point, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. So whilst this is done, I will go ahead and add in my okra. Make sure this doesn't cool down before you add in your okra, because the grinding process is going to be a little bit difficult for you, okay? So make sure the okra is still hot before you add it to the asanka to grind, okay? If you are thinking of grinding or blending everything in your blender, it's a no for me, because it is going to turn out very smooth and we don't want that, okay? We want that chunkiness of all the vegetables in it, so we can really enjoy it really well. Alright, so after the okra is all done, I'll go ahead and heat up my palm oil. You can use any palm oil of your choice. So I'm using Zomi palm oil. You can use any oil of your choice, okay? So next I'll go in with my chopped onions. I'll allow it to saute in the oil for about 1 minute and add in my smoked mackerel and also some crabs. You can use any meat of your choice, okay? I'll also go in with some salt to taste, stir everything together and allow it to steam in the oil for about 5 to 10 more minutes, and it will bring extra taste to the oil. At this point, I realized the palm oil was a little bit small for me to fry the meat, so I added in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it. I'll go ahead and stir, cover it and allow it to steam very well. And at this point, the aroma was everywhere. My kitchen was smelling so good. Fam, let me know what you think about this simple okra stew or Fetri Toto recipe in the comment section, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comments down below, okay? So now all that is left is for us to add this to our okra dip, which we grinded earlier on. And trust me, this okra dip sauce was fire. It was super delicious, and I hope you're going to try. Just look at how palatable this okra sauce looks right now. Very healthy, very simple, and very delicious. I paired this Fetri Toto with some banku. You can also enjoy this with some eba, akle, abetie, or any swallow you can ever think of. I added in some onions to enjoy alongside with it. And so this is my banku. I really enjoyed myself, and I hope you're going to try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe for new videos every single week. Bye.